So we're just having some lunch and then a bloody boat ran into us. I don't know what they're trying to do. I don't know what the hell they're trying to do. It's ridiculous. I don't know, they've obviously just drifted across into us. Yeah. Looks like they're stuck on all these lines now as well.
Yeah.
Oh, they're pulling it.
Yeah, just watch ours. Get ready to push. He's taking that with it.
Well, the keel's on the lines, I think.
Yeah. They're on ours.
The keel is on the slime line.
No, es que están cogidos con los cabos.
Have to pull it sideways.
También, Lola, mira este. Este también.
They need a line on the front and the back. Yeah. No, we're all right for fenders. Our anchor's protecting us, really. Our anchor's protecting us, really. Well, they need to pull it sideways, don't they?
Lola, esto lo aflojamos, si no. Pero que lo tengan cogido, ¿eh? ¿Lo tenéis cogido? ¿Lo tenéis cogido, a favor? Vale, cogerlo porque vamos a aflojar cuerdas aquí. Vamos a aflojar cuerdas de aquí, ¿eh?
No, pero el cabo, espérate, que ese no está enganchado, ¿eh? Ese único está haciendo tensión porque está tenso. Y está
Seguro que no está enganchado a la orto ni nada.
No, ese no está enganchado, ¿seguro? La otra tiene mucho más para atrás este, vale.
Just as you're having your lunch and a nice relaxing weekend, somebody runs a boat into yours and they've got themselves totally stuck on all the slime lines. Tone, watch the front because that anchor's coming round. Tone, watch the anchor. They've got our slime line, Tone. Tone, they've got our slime line here. Tone, they're going to knacker our boat. They're dragging the slime line with them. Jesus Christ. Live still.
No, se lo está llevando, se lo está llevando.
Se lo lleva. Suelto.
Ahora para adelante.
Suelto, suelto. Se lo lleva, se lo lleva.
Élite pro y motor para adelante.
Está enganchado, ¿eh?
Gannon, where's he going?
Está por detrás de la USA.
No, 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 te has dejado solo. Te has dejado solo, Lola. I don't know, it's series de motor dentro del compacto de
They're going to change it tomorrow, Tone.
Tomorrow change.